When you dribble, pump your arm in downward motion with your hand open and your wrist flicking. Then, if you want to do a crossover, swing your arms back and forth with the same motion and flick your wrist. When you get a bit better, you can start going in between the legs. Do the same motion as a crossover, but under your legs. As you get really good, you can start going really fast in between the legs, like Aryov.
Always when you try to pass the ball, flick it smoothly to your teammate, and when you get better, you can pass faster to your teammate.
When you shoot, you have to put your dominant arm with a L shape with your wrist facing backwards and your non-dominant arm on the side of the ball balancing it, and then you flick the ball with your hand and the wrist towards the direction of the hoop where you want to shoot.